Welcome to the Seasons of the Soul, a journey from shadow to light. I'm Sunita Gilik, and together we'll walk through the sacred rhythm of the seasons. From reflection to remembrance, from gratitude to joy. Each episode is an invitation to slow down, listen to the whispers of your heart, and to discover the divine meaning behind our celebrations. So, take a deep breath, open your heart, and let's journey to the seasons of the soul, where every ending becomes a beginning and where every shadow leads us closer to the light. Welcome to the Seasons of the Soul, a journey through the spiritual meaning of our year's most heartfelt celebrations. In this episode, we begin where the candles flicker and the shadows dance. Halloween. Halloween or All Hallows Eve is often seen as a night of costumes, fun, and playful fright. But long before the candy and the pumpkins, it was a sacred time, a moment where people pause between seasons, between light and darkness, and between life and eternity. It's the eve of the All Saints' Day, a reminder that our lives are not only about what we see, but also what we feel inside within. Spiritually, Halloween invites us to face the mystery of life and death, not in fear but in faith. When we see the flicker of a candle inside the curved pumpkin, we're really seeing a symbol of the soul, a fragile, glowing, alive, shining in the darkness. Halloween whispers a truth we sometimes forget. Even in darkness, light exists. It's the time to look at our fears and realize that light conquers them. It's the night that teaches courage, that reminds us to laugh in the face of the shadows because within deep, our spirits are stronger than any darkness. As the last leaves fall and November begins, the soul slowly turns inward. It listens, it reflects, it prepares to remember and to give thanks in the days to come. So tonight when you see a candle glow or hear the sound of children under the moonlight, pause for a moment. Whisper to your heart, the light within me still shines. No darkness can dim it. Thank you for listening to Seasons of the Soul. Join me next time as we move from Halloween into the quiet beauty of All Souls Day, where remembrance meets eternity. Thank you for joining me in Seasons of the Soul. May these reflections bring peace to your spirit, warmth to your gaze, light to every path you walk. Remember, the divine lives in every season, in every breath, and in every heart chooses love. Until next time, may your soul stay open, your faith stay gentle, and your light keep shining.